Hi everyone, today we're going to work on building strength and stability throughout our core and shoulders. If you haven't already, check out all my free fitness programs on my website. I posted the link down in the description below. For today's workout, I'm going to be using a couple of small towels like these, so it's easy to slip and slide. So find yourself some little towels and a nice floor that you can slide on, and let's get to work. We have 9 exercises ranging from 25 to 30 seconds, starting with a 4-point lunge. Placing a towel under our toes of our right foot, we're going to push that towel as far as we can forward, pull it back in, then bring it out to the side, pull it back in, push it back, bring it back to center, and then across into a curtsy lunge, back to center, and repeat. We're going to switch sides, placing the towel under our left foot, lunge forward, then to the side, back, and across, coming back to center between each lunge. Now we're going to come into a plank, placing a towel under each foot, and we're going to work on some abductions. So we're going to slide that right leg as far as we comfortably can out to the side, and then pull it back in. Give yourself a little break if you need, and then come back up and repeat with the left leg. Next, we have plank twists. Back into that high plank position, we're going to slide one foot under us to our opposite side, pull it back, and then repeat with the other foot. Let's come onto our elbows for this next plank. We're going to slide our feet as far forward and back as we comfortably can. Coming back into a high plank, this time we're going to pull our feet in while we raise our hips up towards the ceiling and then push them back out into that plank position. Time to give our arms a little break. Let's turn onto our backs, placing our heels on the towels. We're going to extend our legs out and then pull them back in. Back over, we're going to move into plank jacks. So back into that high plank position with the towels under our toes. Let's extend our legs into a V and then pull them back in. Take a little break and we're going to get back into that plank for some knee tucks. Pulling our knees in towards our chest and then sliding back out to a nice strong plank. One more exercise. Similar to before, but this time we're going to pull our knees in and we're going to add a twist by bringing our knees in towards our elbow, and then we're just going to alternate which side we twist to. Great job, we did it. These moves I feel really help me target my lower abs, as well as help me build that strong, stabilized core that we all strive for. Definitely good to stretch out your shoulders after this one a bit. I posted a link in the top right corner for a video just for that. If you haven't already, be sure to hit my subscribe button. Thanks so much for working out with me. I will see you all again soon.